Role model is a great question, and there are two sides of this role model thing. It's if you don't see enough role model at each level, it's very difficult to identify with someone and understand what you got to do to get there. So as we all know, there is a big attainment gap for black students in general in the country at the moment. So imagine a situation where you don't have enough black PhD students, so that means not enough black undergraduate students can see and relate to what they could do after their undergrad. Same goes for the PhD students. If they don't see enough of postdocs who are black and going through a university degree, that will affect them, because once they finish their PhD, they will want to know what to do next and how to go from being a PhD student to a postdoc. And the process then goes on, being a principal investigator, then to a full professor, then to a senior management. People who have gone through similar experiences, it's very important that people can empathize. And not having enough role model who has gone through similar experience can be quite damaging, and it makes the leaky pipeline problem even worse. When I talk about leaky pipeline, I say the number of students coming through at 18 at undergrad, going all the way through all the stages of science and engineering and going to being a professor or senior leaders at university. So every single stage we leak and we lose students. I have trained 2 black PhD students so far, and they found it very uncomfortable not having enough role models, because they thought university jobs are very much non-black jobs, and that's a problem, because I didn't have, or if you look at the faculty, we haven't got that many black academics or black postdoctoral staff. Personally for me, role model, I'm surrounded by great people and surrounded by lots and lots of role models, but what I struggle in the UK universities is I don't have enough role model who have had a shared experience like me. I don't have enough senior leaders and managers who identify themselves with the BAME category. So as a minority, it becomes very challenging and difficult to understand what do I need to do to go through A to B to C. Because the way things work in universities, we learn on the job how to teach, how to do research, how to do leadership and management. A lot of these things we learn from more experienced colleagues. So not having role model also have got a big problem in terms of career progression. So there is one issue with the retention, another issue is with the career progression.